Welcome to Cruz Roofing Repair, LLC, where you will find high-quality and cost-effective commercial and residential roofing services. For 18 years, we have been the leading roofing service providers of Bradenton, Florida. We offer the services of damaged roof maintenance and repair, roof leak detection, leak repair, leak waterproofing, and more. For more information about our company, visit our website, cruzroofingrepairllc.com, and our Google My Business profile. For the latest offers and promotions, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Call us at 941-448-0024 for a free estimate on your upcoming project.